Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw Sasuke Uchiha. As you can see, this is the drawing that I am going to show you how to draw. So let's start the tutorial.
I don't know if I can find my way out. I'm stuck in a prison of doubt, in this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. The water rises. Need a friend to shake me out again. Need a friend to shake me out again. I don't know if I can find my way out. In this tiny shell, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe.
If you want, I can make videos with my real voice, so tell me in the comments, and also comment which language do you prefer, Bangla or English.
I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. It's coming. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching out. The water is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. Water is rising over me. I'm reaching out, I'm reaching.
I hope that it helped you. If you want, I can also make another tutorial on how to color this drawing. Just comment if you want it, and comment which color should I use. Thank you for watching.